Hello everybody and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy. I put a post up in my community tab, a little over a week ago, seeing if anyone could guess what I am making these dangles for. So I have made some more. I've got 60 to make today. I'm getting there, but not quite. That's one set. These are another set. I think these are absolutely beautiful. I will reveal soon what I'm making these dangles for, but I was trying to see if anyone could guess. And not yet. I'm going to let the post stay up for a few more days, and then I'm going to stop the comments. I just want to see if someone can figure this out. And then these aren't quite done. They're kind of small, so I'm going to add something else to them. Now these pink ones are the ones I'm working on right now. Absolutely gorgeous, I think. I'm just making the loops here on the top so that I can attach them to some O-rings. I'm not very good with this, but I imagine by the time I do 60, I should have it together. So I have to wrap this wire around. It's really stiff. Wrap it as best I can with my fingers, and then I'll take the pliers, and go the rest of the way. Yeah, I can't go any further. Oh, put that back in there. Hold it with this one. This is the needle nose, I think. Round pliers. I don't know the names of these things, and these are needle nose, but they're flat. These are round. Terminology I haven't learned. Not for everything anyway. So I'm just taking this wire and wrapping it with the flat needle nose. I'm just trying to tighten these beads. A little time consuming, but I was playing my music. Don't have grandchildren today, so I'm on a mission. Did I get that all the way around? I think I did. Let me just straighten it out. Pretty. That's one. I got 6 of these to do. So I take the flat needle nose, grab the wire, and bend it over perpendicularly, like that. Then I take the round needle nose, grab the wire, and wrap the wire around it. And then I try and turn the wire and wrap it around the neck of this wire as far as I can until I have to use the pliers. Okay, let me get the other pliers. I got that little bit left. I don't know if you can see that little piece right there, and it's real stiff, so I can't do that with my hand. So I just grab these pliers and bring it on around. Now there's a little piece left. Now I can cut that off, but I'm trying to make this as tight as I can, so I'm going to use that little bit and tuck it in with these pliers. Try to tuck it in with these pliers. Did I get it? Nope. And if I can't get it to go all the way around, then I'll snip it off. But I want to try and use all that little piece of wire. Did I get it? It's so hard to see. For me, anyway. Okay. Got it. Number 2, done. So I'll just keep going and get these done, and then I'll show you the next set, what I'm going to use. I don't know yet. I just go through my beads and see what looks pretty. You want to get that little tail in because you don't want any pokey parts out that will snag or stick someone. You don't want them to snag what you're putting them on. And this one's giving me problems. Come on. So if it gives you problems, let me see. I'm just going to clip it off. And I'll use my wire cutters and just cut that little piece off. Make sure you hold on to it because it'll go flying and you don't want it to fly in your eye. Did I get it? No. There we go. Okay, this set is done. Some sets I have 4 and some sets I have 6. I don't know if that'll give you a clue or not. So that's a set of 6. Pretty pearls and the rhinestone rondelles, and then a gold bead at the top. Alright, let me figure out what beads I want to use for the next set. Okay, I picked out some beads. These are glitter balls, like rhinestone balls. So I got this red here. And I have some faceted crystal beads. This size and a smaller size. And then I have these rhinestone rondelles, I believe they're called, in red. And then I have some bead caps. These are going to be silver toned. Some of them are gold, some of them are silver. So I have these flower bead caps that I'm going to put on. And I got these, got all these plus what I've used from the beautiful Crafty Leo. Sent me a box of beads, and these were included. Oh my God. Yes. So I have my, what are these called? Oh, I don't know. Whatever. These pins. They're called pins. Some kind of pins. And you don't want your beads to fall off, so you have to find a small bead to put at the bottom, or a bead that has a small hole. So I have these tiny faceted silver beads. We'll put that on the bottom. Let's see, how do I want to do this? I think I'm going to put the disco ball next. Then oh, I want to do a rondelle. I want to do the red rondelle. So far. And then I'll do the larger faceted crystal. That's pretty. And let's see, do I want to put a cap on that? Try the bead cap. Maybe. I have that small crystal clear faceted bead. Let's see what this looks like on top. Well, what do you think? I don't know. So that's one of my dilemmas, is trying to figure out how I want to put these on here. Let's see. I guess that's fine. That looks okay. We're going to go with it. So then I'll start to form the loop at the top. Same way I did the other ones. Then the wire over to an L shape, a perpendicular, like that, with the flat needle nose. Then take, where are they? Oh. The round needle nose, and hold it on top, and then bring my wire over so that I can wrap it around the neck of the wire. And it didn't leave me much to work with, so I'm going to use my other pliers and see if I can pull this wire around. Can't see it. Oh, there it is. Oh. just want to finish this one on camera, and I'll do the rest off camera. There we go. Now let me flatten that. Try to anyway. It's just a little bit. I might have to cut that off. But if I can get it tucked in here, it'll make my beads tighter on this wire pin. Got it. So that's what this one's looking like. Oh, let me get it up in the camera. Pretty. So I'll do these other 3 off camera. And I have to do, let's see, I have 1 set of 4. This will be my second set of 4. Those are 6s. I got to finish these off. So I need 4. No, I need a total of 8 sets of 4s. 8 sets of 4s with the silver. And I'll do all those off camera and just come back with pictures of what I've finished. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, please. Please, please, please. Have a wonderful day. And if you can guess, you got a couple more days as to what I'm doing here, what they're going to go on. Go to my community page and check that post out. Hopefully it won't be closed, because I'm going to close the comments off real soon. And once I finish with this video, then I'll be placing them on the items that I am trying to get you to guess. So anyway, I am babbling. Have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed. This is a lot of fun. It takes a lot of time. It's really creative, and you can come up with all types of different types of styles, because depending on the beads and your hardware that you have, I just love it. So anyway, babbling as I said. Peace and love. We'll see you soon. Take care. I'm out. Toodles. I got all 60 beaded dangles done in various sizes, shapes, and colors.